Part 3. Creative Fabrica. Alright, now that we've done our research with BookBolt, it's time to get the actual content for our coloring book. For this, we're going to use Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a huge marketplace full of fonts, graphics, and ready-to-use coloring book interiors and covers. The best part is, you don't need to be a designer or artist. You can literally grab professional-looking pages in just a few clicks. You can even start with a free trial, and after that it only costs $3.99 per month. And just like BookBolt, if you use my link in the description box, you can get an even bigger discount on your subscription. So, let's do a search. I'll type in Cozy Friends. Perfect. Here we've got coloring pages that match exactly what we're looking for. I can download the interior file with all the pages ready to go, and I can also grab a matching cover file if I want to customize it later in BookBolt Studio. Backhand index pointing right, here's a really important tip. When you download these files, make sure the dimensions match the same size as the best-selling book we researched earlier. If the bestseller was 8.5 by 8.5 inches, for example, then we're going to stick with that size. This way, our book looks professional and lines up perfectly with what's already selling. This saves so much time. Instead of creating every page from scratch, we can focus on picking the right theme and then just tweaking it to make it unique. So in just a few minutes, we now have the interior pages and a cover for our Cozy Friends coloring book. That means we're ready for the next step, putting everything together and preparing it for publishing. Part 4. Format interior and customize cover in BookBolt Studio. Now that we have our interior pages and cover downloaded from Creative Fabrica, it's time to assemble the book using BookBolt Studio. This is where everything comes together, and it's really simple once you get the hang of it. First, open BookBolt Studio and log into your account. Select Create New Project. When setting up the book, make sure to configure the exact settings for Amazon KDP. Dimensions: 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Interior: black and white paper. Book type: paperback. Bleed: no bleed. Pages: 88. Before we start, let's quickly go over the main features, settings, and tools of BookBolt Studio so you know everything you can do. 1. Project Setup. When starting a new project, you select the trim size, number of pages, and type of paper. 2. Page Editor. Here you can upload or create your interior pages. You can drag and drop images or PDFs, resize or crop elements, reorder pages by dragging them into place, add extra pages like a title page, copyright page, or blank pages. Preview pages to see exactly how they'll look in print. 3. Cover Editor. Customize your front cover, back cover, and spine. You can upload a pre-made cover or create one from scratch. Adjust fonts, text size, and color. Move and resize graphics. Preview the cover in 3D or flat view. Ensure proper alignment with your book's dimensions. As you can see, I uploaded all the images to use in this project. Then, I started formatting the front and back cover, adding to it the main image and rectangle shapes to cover the back and the spine. Next, let's create the first page. I like to add a simple title page with the text, "This book belongs to." This makes the book more personal for the buyer and is a nice touch for kids and teens. Now, we'll add the coloring pages. We have 40 pages to include. A good practice is to place them on even-numbered pages so that when the book is printed, each coloring page is on the right side of the spread. BookBolt Studio makes it easy to drag and drop pages into the correct order. Once all 40 coloring pages are added, take a moment to review each page. Make sure the spacing, margins, and alignment are perfect. Adjust any images that need resizing. You want every page to look clean and professional. At the end, the total number of pages is 83, not 88. Next, let's handle the cover by adding to the back cover some sample images of the interior. Important: double-check cover dimensions and alignment so it fits perfectly with the 8.5 by 8.5 inch, 88-page interior. BookBolt Studio will help with this automatically. After customizing the cover, preview the entire book: front cover, interior pages, and back cover. Flip through all pages to ensure everything looks polished. Finally, when everything looks perfect, you can download the project as a CMYK printed book. BookBolt Studio will export the cover and interior as separate PDF files ready for Amazon KDP. This ensures your colors print correctly and your book is fully ready for publication. And that's it. Our Cozy Friends coloring book is now perfectly formatted and ready for publishing on Amazon KDP. Take a few minutes here to double-check everything. Small details make a big difference in the final product. Part 5. Publish on Amazon KDP.